Hello and welcome. I have finally gotten my parcel from Hobby King with the Avios C130 Hercules. I have gotten the grey version, so I think there's nothing more to wait about. Let's just open it and see what's inside. Let's order 2 extra 4 cent stamps. Just get this one out of the way. Wow, it looks great. Looks like the grey one has 4 different ones to choose from. It looks exceptionally well packaged, so hopefully there's no dings and scratches or anything like that. Let's see, I'll just take everything out and we'll have a closer look at everything afterwards. I thought I'll give you a quick look on the hardware that comes with the model. As you can see, everything is very nice labeled. Decent good hardware. Some nice scale details, windshield wipers, pitot-meter, ramp for the hatch, UBEC for the receiver and engines, and some beautiful props. Gas tanks. As you can see, there's no dings or anything. The finish looks great. And the wing connector, it has a similar connector back for the stabilizer, as you can see. So, looks great so far. Now I think it's time to start assembly. First of all, will I just apologize for not having any footage of assembling the airplane. I don't even think it's necessary. It's quite good explained in the manual and it's extremely easy to put together. As you can see here, I have some footage of applying the water decals. And as you can see, did I go for the US Air Force on this version. I will change that to the Norwegian Air Force in the future. After I'm done with the decals, I'll do some more close-up of the model, and I'll also show you some things that I don't like and the things I absolutely love with the model. So stay tuned. Well, here it's all done, and it's a great model. It's great looking, and it's a really nice built model. There are some issues that I have noticed, at least on my model. It may be that I have an early model. The first thing you'll notice is that there are different colors from the fuselage and the wings and the tail section. The wings and the tail section has one color and the fuselage has another color. Another one is this small red beacon does not work on this model. It's supposed to blink bright red when you're running up the engine and stuff, and it's not working at all. Another one is that the light inside the fuselage that's gonna light up when you open the hatch in the back is reversed. It's opened, it's on when the hatch is closed, and it's off when the hatch is open. Other than that, yeah, I had also an issue with the flaps, the outer flaps. They were so tight that they didn't bind up when they were retract, so the servo couldn't even push it out. So I had to do some adjustment on the flaps to make them work by taking off a little bit between the flaps and the wing. So, but it could be that I have a early production model that makes these small issues. Otherwise, it's absolutely a stunning model. It's so easy to put together. It's just 2 screws to mount the tail section, and there are 2 screws on each main wing. I just want to fly it now, but unfortunately the weather isn't with me right now. It's snowing and windy, so hopefully I can do some flying this weekend. I have also done some camera mounts for this model. I didn't want to have anything attached outside to ruin the finish of it, so this dome should be glued on. I have made a hole in the fuselage and mounted a nut inside so I can screw it from the inside of the plane. I will show you some more details on that. As I said, I did mount this with just a nut and a bolt, so it's not glued down. You can see here, it's pretty easy setup. And I'm using these small Sony cams, and to make it stable and not dig into the styrofoam, I made this bracket. So it's totally stable and won't move. Hopefully it will give some good footage from when I'm flying. You can see here, I'll start the cam and cut into the video from the cam so you can see how it looks from the fuselage. So that's one cam. I still have one more cam. I'll show you that now. I'll just move the camera around. As you probably can guess, I have mounted the other cam on the loading dock. So as you can see, I'm switching to the onboard camera now, and you can see this is inside the plane, and I'll just open the hatch, and I think that will be a nice view when we're out flying. So we'll hope. Well, that's that. Now it's just waiting for the maiden flight, and stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell, and I'll get the maiden flight out as soon as possible.